In terms of appearance, it continues Zeekr's iconic hidden energy design language. The front face style is exactly the same as Zeekr 007. It adopts an oyster-type hood design and is equipped with an integrated intelligent light display, which perfectly integrates the daytime running light strips. The headlights and taillights form horizontal lines along the car, increasing the visual width and making the car more luxurious. It also has an intelligent interactive light language that strengthens the sense of ceremony. In addition, the roof of the new car is equipped with a watchtower-type lidar, which means it will be equipped with a high-end intelligent driving system. The side shape of the body with suspended roof design, hidden door handles and multi-spoke sports wheels and internal orange-painted calipers is dynamic, further enhancing the sporty feeling. The rear of the car adopts a full-type taillight design, with rich horizontal lines and a good sense of hierarchy. In terms of body size, the length, width and height are 4825/1930/1656 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,925 mm. In terms of power, the entire series is equipped with an 800V high-voltage platform. It offers single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive with silicon carbide. As standard, the rear-wheel drive models and rear-wheel drive models are equipped with a drive motor with a maximum power of 310 kilowatts. The four-wheel drive model adds a front-wheel drive motor with a maximum power of 165 kilowatts. The power is 475 kilowatts, and the official 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration is 3 seconds. In addition, the new car also has optional air suspension to cope with different road conditions and driving scenarios. The new car will compete with Tesla Model Y, Xiaopeng G6, Alpine HT and other models after it is released in the future.